Hey guys, it's Paul here, the Impulsive Culinarian, and in this video I want to tell you all about my healthy Polish beet salad recipe. So normally I do try and pronounce the actual name of the recipes that I'm doing tribute to when I'm doing the international series, and this one I don't want to mangle it. Here's how it looks in Polish, and if you recognize this, you're probably nodding your head right now and saying, yeah, that's a good salad. And if you've never tried it, what are you waiting for? This is probably one of the most addictive, healthy salads you'll ever try. Let's do it. Now, I'll admit some beet recipes can be hit or miss, but this one is a total winner. You're gonna love it. It's so delicious. Start off with 1 pound of beets with the skin still on, 1 shallot peeled and finely chopped, the zest and the juice of half of a fresh lemon. Don't use that stuff in the plastic container. Half of a tablespoon of olive oil and a half a teaspoon of organic honey. Also a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and you're ready to go. Let's put together this great salad. So your beets, you got to cook them, obviously. So you get yourself just a small roasting tin, line that with tin foil. That's really just for making it an easy cleanup. Also line it with a little bit of parchment paper and make a double flap of the tin foil just so you can wrap it over the dish and cover it up and seal it tight. Get that into a 275-degree oven for 1 hour, and then your beets are going to be nice and tender. Set them aside to cool so that you can handle them with your hands. A lot of people like to use gloves. I really prefer to get my hands dirty. So peel up those beets and then use the large grater on a box grater, the large size, and grate them all up. Put them in a nice bowl. Try not to use a white dish because it'll stain it. Then add in all of the rest of your ingredients. Your lemon zest and juice, your shallots, your oil, your honey, as well as your salt. And then mix it up. It's as simple as that. You basically wait for the beets to cook for an hour. Maybe get your hands a little dirty. And then you put that into a serving dish, and voila, beautiful Polish beet salad. Trust me, you'll love every bite. Hey, thanks for checking out the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. 3 great videos coming out every single week here on the IC channel on YouTube. One based on international cuisine, a second one based on allergen-friendly cooking, and the third one, a recipe based on healthy lifestyle, because we should always be living our healthiest life possible. Guys, my name is Paul, the Impulsive Culinarian. Be sure to check out my podcast every single Monday. You can find me on Apple Podcasts and all of the other networks. Just search up my name, Impulsive Culinarian, and I'm sure you'll find me there. I'll catch you in the next video, guys.